Hello and welcome to your very own channel Faridi Cuties and Creativities. Hey everyone, this is Mumtaz and today I am going to talk with y'all about my 17-month-old baby and how I let him learn day-to-day small activities like climbing up, moving down. If you want to take something from height, how he'll take it by himself. So in this video, whatever I'm going to speak to y'all is all my personal opinion, as all parents have their own style and their own parenting way. If y'all like it, y'all can take it from this video or y'all can just leave it. I would like to share with y'all that if my baby wanna take something and it's on a bit height, I don't go and give it to him. I first let him try himself. तो इस तरीके से वो अपने टोज पे आता है और ऊपर हाथ बढ़ा के लेने की कोशिश करता है. दिस वे ही थिंक्स एंड ही ट्राइज टू डू बाय हिमसेल्फ एंड फाइंड आउट द वे. और माय बेबी जस्ट वोक अप. The second example that I would like to give you all is if my baby wanna take something or climb on the sofa or on the bed, I just let him climb himself. What we do mostly that अगर हम देखते हैं कि हमारा बेबी नहीं चढ़ पा रहा है तो हम जाके उसे चढ़ा देते हैं. बट नो, वी मस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. इससे क्या होता है कि बच्चे लोग सोचने लगते हैं दैट हाउ दे हैव टू डू इट. दे स्टार्ट थिंकिंग हाउ दे हैव टू गेट अप टू द प्लेस वेयर दे वांट टू गो. सो व्हाट माय बेबी डज इज he try to see if there's some chair or something like that where he can climb on and reach on the bed, and he does the same. This way he does many things that I sometimes get shocked how he did it, because I gave him the chance to explore his mind, to think how he can do and what he can do. So here is one example that y'all can see how Miggy climbed up and climbed down back in the garden. Miggy, bye! Miggy! Come! Now let's climb down, come. Honey, climb down. Miggy, wait. There we can go. Thank you.